orúkọ mi ni Ademola rówó náà. Mo wá láti bẹ̀bẹ̀ fẹ́ Taiwo Ademola Carlos. Ìfẹ́ mi, ẹni bí ọkọ mi, aya mi, oríkìlẹ́wà, ìdùnnú mi, sweetheart, honey, sugar.
Ṣẹ̀rí wẹ̀rẹ̀ Adémọ́lá yìí, wọ́n ṣe bí politician, wọ́n fẹ́ máa dáwọ́ rú díẹ̀díẹ̀.
Happy boy, that's all I see. Thank God for me. Thank God for you.
Hello everybody, my name is Oreoluwa. I am Auntie Tai's baby. Auntie Tai is a woman of God. She's a woman after God's heart. She's a very kind person. And I wish her all the best. I wish them good things. I wish that God will bless their home. They will be fruitful. And their love will continue to wax stronger and stronger. I love Auntie Tai. I love you.
Hi, my name is Joy. I'm Taiwo's friend. As a matter of fact, we were roommates while we were in medical school. And there's something you guys should know. While we were roommates, I used to tease her about Ademola, and she used to say, God forbid that boy. Never, God forbid that she would never marry any of our colleagues. I mean, she would never even date, talk less of marry any of our colleagues. But I mean,
this union is something that we never expected. In fact, the day I saw the proposal video, I was very shocked, and I was like, wow. Taiwo and Aruna, that's nice.
Look at them now. So I'm very happy that they are here celebrating their love together on this amazing day. And I pray that God blesses their home. I pray that God grants them peace on all sides. Children surround your table. And I'm praying for you, wishing you all of the love. I'm cheering you guys on. Enjoy.
Èmi Ademola mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ láti kẹ́ láti tọ́jú ẹni bí ọkọ mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, aya mi, òdòdó mi, ìfẹ́ mi, arẹwà mi.
Gbàdúrà fún pé ilé ọkọ tó ń lọ Ọlọ́run á sì ń lọ.
Àmín.
Ọlọ́run á ṣíwájú ẹ̀ lọ.
Àmín Jésù.
Kò ní ṣìwàwù.
Amen.
Kò ní ṣìṣe.
Amen.
Kò ní yọ sọnù láàrin ẹbí.
I trust my God. I trust my God. She's going to a better place, and I'm sure Ademola will take care of her. And officially, I am more than happy to release her. Thank you.
Money spending. Ayọ̀kọ̀ mi, ọba mi. And finally, my success!